Good morning. So I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me because I'm taking my son to an egg hunt with my mom. Now, the weather isn't the greatest, so, well, I never put too much on my face anyway, makeup-wise, so it really doesn't matter. But I am debating on using a different mascara than the roller lash one that came with the kit. But first, I have been loving this. The Summer Fridays jet lag mask. Like, even, it does say about using it as a moisturizer. I use it at night, and this is one of the best ones. It has helped with my skin so much, because sometimes my skin gets really dry. It used to be the complete opposite, but I have been really loving this. The price tag is insane. I think this is the small size, I believe, though. But I am so glad that I got it in that kit. It's a lifesaver. I love it. Just wanted to say that. Okay. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'm using the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. I really like this. This is obviously the mini size. I got it in the little stack with the mini moisturizer. I think I finished that off if I am correct. But I'm just gonna go quickly wash my face and do my makeup before my little guy wakes up. Hopefully I can get it done in time. Yeah. I'm gonna be so sad when this runs out because the full size is so expensive. So expensive, but it is really good though. And this is it's glass jar. I think the kit, well, the duo, I think it was either 20 or 25. But I definitely really like the cleanser. The moisturizer was okay too, but wasn't my favorite. I just know that I'm gonna feel way more awake after this. And that's what I really need. I need the energy for today. But yeah, I like it. Now, I will admit, sometimes it does dry my skin out a little bit, but nothing terrible. Plus, I mean, I'm gonna use a moisturizer either way. So, but first, let's use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Oh wait, I lied. Actually, I'm going to use the Inkyless Caffeine Eye Cream that I got with my order when I bought the kit. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that instead. Because I've been wanting an eye cream, and that one is reasonably priced. I think it's like $10 or $11. It's not terrible. I mean, compared to some other brands where theirs are like $30, $50, Like, so we'll see how it works, but so far I like it. I feel like there's not enough light, but is that better? Maybe? I don't know. Oh, guess what? I still didn't paint my nails. I've been busy with still trying to straighten up and get everything in place. Because like I said in the last video, we did recently move, and if I do want to try the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. a hydrating camo concealer. Now, I don't know. Sometimes when I use it, I feel like it looks cakey, and that's one of the main reasons why I don't really like foundation, even though I know I could use some. Okay, I know. But I can't stand when it looks cakey, or like when it looks like I have makeup on. Like just when it looks like I have too much, you know. But now that I do have an eye cream, I might try a tad bit of it. But you know what? Let me go in with the Glow Recipe Dewdrops first, real quick. So we'll get that out of the way. I don't think it smells like anything. But yeah. Also, if anyone watches this if anyone watches this and has any concealer recommendations that like don't leave your under eyes looking cakey or crusty, please let me know. Because that's also, it's like one of the top things on my beauty wish list. Because, you know, it's just like I said, I'm a toddler mom. And sometimes sleep is just, you know, not the greatest. You know, so just let me know if you have any recommendations. Alright, I'm kind of nervous to use this, but I'm going to try it. Now listen, I don't go crazy when I use this one since I do worry about it, so you might not even be able to tell the difference. Tell that I even have it on. Because it looks like I did nothing. But I think it might be helping a little bit. I don't know when. Like a summer or two ago, the Glossier Skin Tint. But I don't know, maybe I just wasn't hydrating my skin enough because it kind of, I would like to try it again though. Give it another chance now that I have some more products. Alright. I think I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Which I think, if I'm not mistaken, she's the creator of Jones Road Beauty. I've been seeing everyone try the, I can't think of the name. Anyway, it's like a little, it's like a foundation moisturizer all mixed in one, but it's like, it looks super hydrating and natural. I would love to try that one day because, like I said, I don't like when I feel like I have a ton of makeup on my face. Like, especially, like, you know, when it comes to foundation. Because I just don't like when it starts to look cakey and whatnot. So that was way too much. I still love this, by the way. I just can't get over how good it smells. It smells amazing. And to think that was one of the products that I was like, yeah, well, you know. Well, because of it saying, like, the face base, but it's really a moisturizer. Which, I can never have enough moisturizer. I think my little guy's awake. So it might get a little loud. Hi, Bubba. Glossier Boy Brow Clear. I've been really enjoying this. because I definitely don't want to use my brown one today. I'm kind of debating between the Milk makeup, or I also have the Refi one from the other kit that I got a while ago. But I think I'm gonna go with the Milk makeup one again, because I've been really liking it actually. Even though I really wonder how long this is going to last me. I mean, I don't wear makeup every single day, but I mean, still, with it being so tiny. I don't know. And if anyone uses this, like, I don't know, do you prefer to use your finger to blend it out? I really should watch more videos on, like, to see how people use it. Like, if it would look nicer with a beauty blender. I don't know if a brush would be good for it because of how creamy it is. Although I usually do end up going in with the beauty blender a little bit anyway afterwards, so. But just a little bit of color to my face. Rare Beauty highlighter and Outshine. So I'm practically using all the same products from my first video. Sorry. I don't really have a lot of stuff, and like, I really love that kit. And like all the products in it practically. Like I said, there's like, what? I think there's just that one product that I could, you know, but only because I don't use lip liners. But I also don't know how that shade would look. But though I think I did open it. I didn't swatch it though, but I opened it and it didn't look too bad actually. But I still don't think I would use it. Alright. Now that's done. I was debating on using the Ilia shadow stick, but I don't really feel like it. I don't think. So I don't think I'm going to. I don't see how people can talk at the same time and curl their eyelashes. Like, I'm sorry, I can't. I try, but like, I can't. Because I'm just worried about, because of how I messed up my lashes on this side with the, God, I can't even think what this is called right now, the eyelash curler. So I'm wondering if this one would be better to try and make it not look as terrible as it does right now. I need to hurry, so we'll just go with this one, but a light coat since They sadly want rain. It's all gloomy out, which don't worry, they kind of is rain or shine. But hopefully it's not like too bad. That took me 30 minutes. I mean, I was chatty, but that's insane. Alright, I would do a lip right now, but honestly, I'm gonna be eating and making a smoothie, so, but I will probably use the milk makeup because I love putting it on my lips. It's such a pretty shade. Like I said, I know, you know, I kind of was all like complaining about the price, but it is so pretty and such a nice product though. But just the price is really, you know, very high. What probably say your fire truck. But I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All-Nighter, hyaluronic acid and watermelon fruit extract, long-lasting makeup setting spray. Excuse the fire truck in the background. But this I've actually been enjoying using too. Don't know if it does help everything stay in place, but I mean, I like it. I am done. I don't even know if you can tell. See, this eye, the lashes got all weird. But, oh well, I should have actually covered up my little pimple, but I didn't. Just something super basic since the weather isn't really the greatest. Now that my little guy's awake. Yeah. Alright, so maybe I will take a picture and include like when everything is completely done, when I'm dressed, when my hair's done. I don't know. Alright. Bye guys.